Craig here, and I wanted to shoot a quick video and go over the live demo business websites because there's a few things I want to explain which is easier for me to do via a video than to try and explain it via text on a web page. Now when you land on this page it will look slightly different because I intend on embedding this video on this page, and in the coming weeks and months we'll be adding many more live demo business websites covering different business niches and industries. As you scroll down, you're going to see all of these different screenshots of the different website designs and the different niches. Now you can click on any of these images. For example, we have flooring right here. If I click on this, it's going to open up in a new tab so that I can preview how the flooring website looks for this particular design. Now we recommend that you preview these designs on a desktop or a laptop computer so you can see how the appearance is laid out, etc. Now if you want to preview how it looks on a mobile device, you can simply shrink the size of your browser window. So this is going to show you how it would look on a smartphone device. And then if you want to restore it, you simply stretch it out. Now I should point out that all of our websites, we always recommend you have a phone number right at the top. And if somebody clicks on this on their smartphone device, it's going to call your business phone number. And the menu is mobile friendly, so now we can navigate around the menu. So as you'll see, we have two different designs for each business industry. So I have two for flooring right here. Now let's say you're a handyman and you want the flooring design right here. That's no problem, it's just the way we set this up. So if you want to pick a different design, it makes no difference to us. We can go with any design you want. Let's say you want to go with this design, no problem, let us know and we can set it up. On all of the designs you will notice that because these are for local business industries, the goal is to get the client or the customer to either call you or perform some kind of action. Now if you were a landscaper, perhaps you would prefer, instead of them calling you, to fill out a form so that they request a free quote. And that's kind of how we set things up. So on this HVAC example here, right at the top, request appointment, and then here's your phone number, call us, contact us today. Because when you think about it, if someone's doing a local search for heating repair or something, they are going to come to your website. They don't want to read articles on, different heating furnaces, etc. They want to either speak to you or request that you come and fix their problem. Now, if I switch this over to the mobile design, you'll see again right at the top, request appointment, call us, or get directions if you had a physical type of store, brick and mortar store. Now, when you're looking over these, you will notice that we have stock photos. Stock photos are great, they look really nice, but they are stock photos. Now, if you can provide your own business photos, like perhaps some employees next to a work van with your business logo, this is going to be much better, and you are going to put some, reassurance into the potential customer who's viewing your website, because they can see, yeah, this is a genuine company. Or if you have reviews from customers, or you can display previous work that you've done, this helps dramatically in kind of pre-selling the customer before they even contact you or call you up. Now all of these sites, they have not demo content, but they have content related to the actual business themselves. So if we click on, let's go to heating, you'll see that there is content related to heating. Now, I'm not a heating person, so you can go over this content and see, does this make sense? Is it something that I can use? For us to get your website online sooner, you are more than welcome to say, just use the pre-made content for now, and then you can provide us with your own unique content later. Or alternatively, you can simply highlight and copy all of this content and then reword it in your own words to better describe and fit your business. So let's take a look at another one. This is a landscaping one. And again, it doesn't, just because we have some landscaping logo here and content and images about landscaping, this could be any business website. This could be a plumbing website, for example. So again, phone number, and we want to request a free quote. Because if you want to have a landscaping project done, or somebody come and, you know, mow your lawn every month or something, you need to get a quote. And this is probably the easiest way for a customer to request a quote. Name, email, contact number, message, send message, and you can have the message go to multiple people who work for your business or directly to you. And also, let's shrink this one. Let's see what's going on here. This, we have a tap to call, so someone taps on that. It's not gonna, I'm not on my smartphone, so it's trying to call a number, but it can't. So again, you might not like that blue. We can change pretty much anything on any of these websites. Change the color. This is just a demo kind of logo. It doesn't look very good actually. But anything, we can change anything for you. If at any time you have any questions, the best thing to do is send me an offline message or submit a support ticket. Now right now, as I'm creating this video, I'm actually online, and you can see down here it says support online. This is an actual picture of myself. So if it says support online, you can simply click here, name, email, and message. So, you know, put in your question or whatever you want to say, and then initiate chat. And I will get a notification like this on my laptop, and then I can, you know, talk live with you and answer any questions that you may have. Now, I may not respond for a couple of minutes because perhaps I'm on the phone or in the middle of something, but this is one way that you can contact me live online. You can also click down here on this envelope icon, and this will allow you to submit a support ticket. So you put in your name, email, and your message, and this is really for support related stuff because it automatically creates a ticket, and then all communication is followed up through a ticket system. So if this says support offline, you can still click here and it will allow you to send me an offline message. And also you can then click on the envelope icon and you can also submit a support ticket. Alternatively, you can give me a call. My phone number is on the web page at the very bottom here. You will most likely get my voicemail, but I will return your call. Or you can just use the Contact Us page. Remember, any of these websites we can customize. Perhaps you want to have a video here instead of a slider image, no problem. Colors, maybe you want to integrate Facebook, etc. No problem, just let us know. You know, our goal is to provide you with a quality website. We also want to get it up and running as soon as possible. Now, we also want to get you ranking and set up with Google Maps. Oh, so one more final note is if you're viewing this page and you're wondering, well, they don't really have a yoga or a dog walking related business website, reach out to us because we can build one for you. Our goal is to provide you with a cheap and affordable rental website.